Says, meet me in the corner as the begin moving up now. Justifiable area outside. Keep the jade.
Sa tagpong ito, kinuha agad ni Meet Me in the corner ang bandera. Segunda si Justifiable. Tercera naman si My Sweet Valentine. Tatlong kabayo ngayon sila sa unahan na naglulutsaan. Habang nasa pang-apat na pwesto naman si Keep the Jade, nag-aabang lang.
And trailing the group is Munich. And at the last 800, Justifiable, My Sweet Valentine fighting out for the leader. And in third position, still is a Meet Me in the corner. Here comes Keep the Jade. Anyari in fifth position. Justifiable,
Dito
My
sa
Sweet
punto na ito,
Valentine fighting
nauuna na
out
si
for the leader.
Justifiable habang nasa tercera
Keep
pwesto
the
si
Jade. Now
Keep the
moving up
Jade
on the
na
outside.
nagpaparibati sa labas.
Justifiable, Keep the Jade, My Sweet Valentine. As the field turns for home, Justifiable, Keep the Jade. Now
At pagdating sa home stretch, kinuha na ni Keep the Jade ang unahan kay Justifiable. Habang nagpaparimati naman sa likod si Anyari. Ayun, nakachak siya sa gitna nila Justifiable. At ang labanan ay kay Anyari at kay Keep the Jade. Ayun, lumagpas na si Anyari.
Keep the Jade. Meet me in the corner.
Alright, exciting finish for race number 2. Unang tumawid ang finish line 8, Anyari, narenda ni John Zaja de Ocampo, then masisigo din sa Keep the Jade, then